Hey guys, Michelle here. Welcome, thanks for joining. Today is a 10-minute plank workout. This is specifically designed to hit all abs, upper, lower, and mid. If you can't join us right now, make sure you save this video to your watch later list and join us when you can. Alright, let's get this plank workout started. So our first plank is a side plank. So I want you to come on your elbow and keep your shoulder kind of like your elbow right under your shoulder. And start. If you prefer your arm kind of just hanging low, feel free, but I think it's best to keep your arm up in the air. Breathe. Just make sure we're breathing throughout this whole minute, through this whole entire workout. I'd say keep your core tight, but in the position that we're in, our core is definitely tight already. Keep going. Hang in for a minute. If you feel any shoulder pain, just kind of come down, readjust, and go back up. But the focus should be in your obliques and not really on that shoulder. And rest. And I'm going to have you come forward, go on both elbows, and plank up. So now the goal is to keep our spine kind of neutral. I don't want to see a curve, and I don't want to see like your butt in the air, just nice and leveled. Just work on that breathing. Deep breaths in and deep breaths out. Same thing as before. If you feel in the shoulder, just take a rest and come back up. Keep going, guys. I know planks aren't easy, so don't quit on me. And rest. And we're going to come to the other side plank. So whatever side that you started on, we're going to do the opposite side and up. Same thing. I think it's easier if you keep your arm in the air. But if you want it to the side or down, touching the ground, that's fine too. Same thing. Elbow in line with the shoulder. Deep breaths in and deep breaths out. Hang in there for a minute. Now, it's not about as high as you can go. It's just about kind of keeping it leveled. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out. Same thing as before. Any shoulder pain, if you're super fatigued, just take a rest, reset yourself, and rest. And we are going to go into the other plank. So, same thing, both elbows on the floor. Get in your plank position and reach. But what's important here is we're not reaching and turning our hips. We reach, keeping our hips pretty much forward. Same thing, if you need a rest, if this is too challenging, just do a regular plank, but really try to get that reach. Good job, guys. Yeah, almost there through the minute. Try to keep your hips leveled as you reach. And rest. And we're going to go into our last plank. So this one's going to be a high plank. So you're going to be on your palms of your hands. You're going to do this. And then we're going to shoulder tap. trying to keep our hips as straight as possible. Good job, guys. And now as we finish up this minute, we are going to do another round, but it's not really necessary to rush right into it. So what I want you to do is we're going to take a small minute, 2-minute break. So get some water, rest, and then we'll get right back into it. Good job. Almost there. Hang through this minute. Push. Don't give up. And rest. All right. So, like I said, I know planks are a lot on our core and our shoulders. So we're just going to take a quick rest. And we'll get right back into it very shortly. In the meantime, if you want to loosen up your shoulders, just give a nice stretch. One arm across the body. And stretch again, switch sides. Good job. Just shake it all out. Focus on that deep breath in and out. Get water, because we're going to be starting in just a moment. All right. Are you ready? Let's get right back into it with a side plank. So remember, I don't care what side you start off with first. Just remember when we do the other side plank that you're doing the opposite side that you choose right now. All right, and up. I like to keep the arm up, as I said previously, but whatever feels comfortable for you. Deep breaths in and out. I know you guys got this. Push through. Hang in there. Hang in there. Deep breaths. If at any point you need to rest, just come down, compose yourself, and back up. You guys got this. And rest. Come back to both forearms and up. Keeping that core tight. Deep breaths in. Deep breaths out. You guys are doing great. My shoulders are burning. My core is burning. Same thing. Rest, compose yourself, shake out, and go right back up. Keep going. Keep pushing yourself. You guys got this. Hang in there for 10 more seconds. Deep breath and rest. All right. So now we're back into our side plank. Opposite arm that we did before. And whenever you're ready, bridge up. After this, we're more than halfway through and we have 2 more left. And you guys have completed a 10-minute plank workout. Keep pushing. Do not give up on me. Don't give up. I know we're all burning from our abs to our shoulders. You guys got this. Hang in there. Deep breaths. In, out, and rest. All right. Back into our planks with the reach. So just give yourself a little time. You ready? Let's get through these last 2 minutes. All right, and go. Reach. Remember, don't let your hips rotate. Keep them nice and straight as we reach. Breathe. Keep going, guys. You guys got this. Don't give up on me. We're almost through this minute. At any time, remember, rest, shake out those shoulders, and get right back into it. And rest. All right, 1 more minute, guys. We can do this. Remember, this is our high plank, forearms up, and shoulder taps. Hang in there. Slow and steady. Work on that balance. Keeping your hips forward. If that's too hard, just stay like this and plank. But really push yourselves, guys. Hang in there. Breathe. You guys got this. Don't give up. Don't give up. Push through, and rest. All right. Whew. We have completed the workout. I'm so proud of you guys. I know that wasn't easy. Just as we come down, our heart rates fall down, get lower. Just deep breaths in and deep breaths out. Deep breaths in and deep breaths out. If you want to, you can just kind of lay flat as we focus on the in and out. Give yourself a little rest. But I really wanted to thank you for joining, and I can't wait to see you next. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you download our Yoga Plus app.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.